Afternoon. Here doing a Drift My Ride. This is actually going to be the last Drift My Ride of this season. Just with winter coming up and things, it kind of doesn't look that great. Going out, skidding cars, they don't make any smoke. Not enough people really watch that. So might do a couple, maybe one-off things with if we get some great weather and a car comes up that's really good, might do those, but I think we're going to kind of wait until summer comes back. So got Rennie here and his little 36 Compact, so he's been out doing a private day today, so I'm going to go and do a wee bit of film this, and we've got a nice dry track. Got it to ourselves, which is awesome. And this is a nice, it's a really well sorted car, so it should be good fun. Like a proper 36. No, power wise, nothing great, but oh, look at the sun just come out on it. Ah, beautiful. Yeah, it's nothing crazily done with it. Just a lot of chassis stiffening and stuff, and decent coilovers and things, so it'll be fun. Right, better go get filming. I'm doing the whole thing where you meant to hold the camera high. I think it's meant to make you look better. I'm not making this look better. Just did the wrap up of our first season. A bit sad actually. It's a bit like kind of done for a bit. But yeah, we'll be back in spring. Cool wee car. Couldn't do third. Third was a struggle. The third wasn't easy. There was a kind of sweet spot for it. You had to get it's one of those things where you could do third, but you have to hit the perfect line. Gear shift was a wee bit, again as well, just jumping in different cars, you get different gear shifts and things like that. And when you're having to shift really hard, it can be a bit of a challenge. So I'm going to see if the man, if he wants someone to come out. Do you want me to come out with you?
Yeah, I can if you want. You got life insurance?
No. Oh, yeah, I do. I don't think this covered it. I don't know that I'll let buy out for that. So right, we're going to go have a wee play outside, give him some pointers. Oh, it's getting run over. Right. Right, bye-bye.
Awesome, man.
First time he's really done the big corner. Brilliant. Time to pack up. Got a cup of tea. Just took Lewis out there. He got us doing his 30 minutes. So if you're coming along for a Drift My Ride, you get sort of 30 minutes of all of that to yourself. I cannot guarantee the weather, but I can guarantee the track. And his first time he's out really doing his big corner, so he just a couple of pointers and he nailed it. Really good. Got a really good line as well. At the end, there's like a properly good line. And a wee car struggling a wee bit with third, so you didn't sort of do a wee downshift and that, a few clutch kicks, but yeah, brilliant. So home time for me. Time to go drink some beer. Bye bye.